Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Homebrew. I'm just making stout again today, fairly simple one. Second time I've had a go at this, hopefully a bit more successful than last time. So as usual, starting the brew day with 37 litres, which turns into 27 by the time I'm done. And, well, I'll wait for it to come up to temperature. Why don't I go into my advent calendar and pull out a bent spoke IPA. It's going to go in the fridge for later, I reckon. Okay, so here we are now. Last time I had a bit of trouble with the fermentation and I put it down to the grain bill not having enough power in it. So I've taken out the munich, reduced the oats a bit. So we've got 65% ale, 6% wheat, that's new, 4.5% dark crystal, 6% chocolate malt, 9% roasted barley, which is up a bit, and 9% flaked oats, which is down a bit. And I can't believe I got through the whole thing. Now I've given it a stir and I'm giving it a whisk to try and break up any clumps that might be in there, help with the efficiency, and around goes the cover, and that's going to mash there for an hour. Once I get the thing on, there we go, that's my remote thermometer with the little timer on it that I'm setting, and the remote thermometer tells me that the temperature's too low, so I'm just going to put in some boiling water. And as it turns out, I took out a bit of water at the start to make up for, I thought I'd need more room, but I didn't, so that kind of worked out nicely for me, putting that extra in with no trouble at all, so that's good. Alright, so I'll wrap this up again and leave that's falling apart. There we go, put the kettle on top, there you go, and leave that for an hour. Except I'm not, I'm paranoid now, so I'm going to give it another whisk again to help with the efficiency. I'm aiming for an OG of 1.050, 50, so 50 OGs. And there we go, mash is all done. Okay, now, this went really well. Here I am lifting out the grain bag, and I get the little guy over the top, but as you can see, there's not much poking through. Can you guess what's going to happen? I'm a little bit worried about it, actually. You can see me fiddling with it there, but, oh well, what the hell, I know what I'm doing. I'll just lift it out anyway, so up we come, and there we go, and here, the knot lets go, and slip, and boom! Water, beer, splash everywhere, and that was not a nice thing to happen. So now I'm frantically trying to rescue the old grains to close the hole before they all tip in, and I guess I'll pull it out, and number 2 went a bit better than number 1, and that's the clip going on there to hold it all in, and what a mess. So I guess I'll just get the paper towels onto that. I think the box that I use is cactus now. Now I'm just checking to see, and yeah, sure enough, a bit of grain went in there, so I'm scooping it out with the sieve. And I'll just feed the local rats in the garden with the little bits of grain that come out. And yeah, that's about as good as she's going to get. So on goes the temperature. Plug back the electricity in because that was all wet and everything and not good. Now we're squeezing out the grain bag, so resuming brew day. I'm using all the extra anger that I have at myself to squeeze it extra hard, and yeah. Alright, so now we're getting the hops ready while that comes up to temperature. Magnums, and I'm aiming for 50 IBUs on this one, so that's 1 IBU per... Oh, I know what'll cheer me up. I'll watch the cricket now that I'm all angry. And what are you saying, James Brayshaw? It's raining. Oh, I can't even watch the... Yeah, there's the covers. There's not even any cricket on to watch. Oh well, what do we do? Boil's done, so off goes the what's it. There it is. And I guess I'll give it a stir straight away. So this is the whirlpool happening, which forms a nice little clump of goo at the bottom. Whirly pool. And that's settled down now, so I'm taking my sample. The first sample is a sample of lies. This one's the real one, so I'm going to measure that. And I got what I wanted out of it. I got my 50, so that was good. Container fills up, and now the next thing we should see is me tipping. There we go, and that must be all done. So hose comes off and squeeze the air out with my legs there, and I'm having to squeeze really hard because I lost. I'm guessing I lost about a litre, maybe a litre and a half in that big splash, and there's some of it being hosed off of the concrete and all the mess and everything, and yuck. What a day. Oh well, there it is. Yep, that's going to go into Nottingham yeast. There's the big dent that I put in it with the massive squeeze. I'm going to cheer myself up with this bent spoke IPA, and oh, look at that, the whole lid came off the can. That was unexpected. I guess that, yeah, Works out pretty well. Hey, this is a nice beer. Bent Spoke IPA. I can't remember if it's a special kind of IPA, but that's pretty good. And there's the dog to cheer me up. Yeah, that'll do. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video. I hope you had a good laugh at me dropping the thing in at least. And, well, hopefully the Stout turns out. I probably missed 1 or 2 bottles out of it, but I'm sure it'll be fine. There's a video coming up about how I'm doing the yeast for this one, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bye!